स्रोत के बारे में जानें। सबसे पहले आ रहे हैं राजकीय प्रतिभा विकास विद्यालय सिविल लाइंस के कथन सूरी।
नमस्कार, मैं कथन सूरी, राजकीय प्रतिभा विकास विद्यालय सिविल लाइंस का छात्र। शिक्षक दिवस के इस पावन अवसर पर जो प्रतिवर्ष 5 सितंबर को भारत के द्वितीय राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी के जन्म दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है, पर आपका अभिनंदन करता हूं। डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी ने अपना संपूर्ण जीवन शिक्षा को ही समर्पित कर दिया और जीवन पर्यंत कुछ नया सीखने की प्रवृत्ति ने उन्हें हमेशा एक विद्यार्थी ही बनाए रखा। डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन न केवल शिक्षा जगत के मानदंड, महान वक्ता, राजनीतिविद थे, अपितु वे भारतीय संस्कृति, दर्शन एवं अध्यात्म के भी शिखर पुरुष थे। इन्हीं विशेषताओं से परिपूर्ण व्यक्तित्व डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी को 1954 में देश के सर्वोच्च नागरिक सम्मान भारत रत्न से भी नवाजा गया। मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी एवं उपस्थित अन्य गणमान्य विभूतियों के समक्ष डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी के जीवन से संबंधित कुछ संस्मरण प्रस्तुत करते हुए अपने आप को गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहा हूं। तो अब मैं डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन जी के जीवन की एक घटना का उल्लेख करना चाहूंगा, जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि उन्होंने अपने पहनावे के ढंग को किसी बाहरी दबाव के कारण बदला नहीं। बात उस समय की है जब डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन जी को भाषण देने के लिए विदेश जाना था, तो उन्होंने अपनी भारतीय पोशाक धारण की और विदेशी सभा को अपनी पारंपरिक वेशभूषा में ही संबोधित किया। यह डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन जी की भारतीय संस्कृति के प्रति आस्था एवं सम्मान को प्रकट करती है। सभा में उपस्थित कुछ लोग शायद इस बात से अपरिचित हों कि डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन जी ने दर्शन शास्त्र का अध्ययन परिस्थितिवश किया, ना कि अपनी इच्छा से। पारिवारिक आर्थिक तंगी के कारण उन्होंने अपने चचेरे भाई की दर्शन शास्त्र की पुस्तकों से ही अध्ययन किया और इस आकस्मिक निर्णय ने उनकी शैक्षिक जीवन की दिशा को ही बदल दिया और इस क्षेत्र में उन्होंने विद्वता हासिल की। तो ऐसे थे हमारे प्रतिभाशाली डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देना चाहूंगा। धन्यवाद।
मैं आपसे अनुरोध करूंगी कि आप मंच पर आएं और प्रधानमंत्री जी से उनके आशीर्वाद का एक संस्मरण लें। अब आपके सामने आ रही हैं सर्वोदय कन्या विद्यालय माता सुंदरी रोड की करुणा कुमारी।
Honorable Prime Minister, Sir, Minister of HRD, and the other distinguished guests, I would like to extend a very warm-hearted welcome to all of you. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I, Karuna Kumari of Class 8 from Sarvodaya Vidyalaya, Mata Sundari Road, feel extremely privileged and blessed to share some most beautiful traits of Dr. Radhakrishnan's personality with our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, who himself is a man of dynamic personality with a simple heart. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the second President of Free India, was a great philosopher and who taught philosophy in many universities of India. As a tribute to his close association with the cause of teaching, his birthday came to be observed as Teachers' Day. Whatever position he held, whether as a president, vice president, or even as a cultural ambassador, Dr. Radhakrishnan remained a teacher all his life. Now, I would like to shed some light upon some of the other aspects of his personality. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a man of extraordinary simplicity who firmly believed in simple living and high thinking. Every day, he would sit in his veranda on a mat and greet every passerby. He used to talk to them very kindly and very sweetly. He even loved children very much and motivated them everywhere. He would stop two little sisters of his friend when they were on their way to school and encourage them to sing. Though he was a man of great intelligence, great learning, but yet he never discouraged youngsters from talking to him even in faulty English. Now, I would like to share one more incident about his personality, that once his friend Dr. K. Ishwara Dutt, who was the journal editor of the book The Man and Its Evolution, handed one of his essays on Ruskin Bond to Dr. Radhakrishnan. He went through it in detail, just like a typical school teacher. He smiled many times while reading the essay, but he didn't discourage him or give him any serious advice. All he said after reading the whole essay was, "Be simple, direct, and pointed, so you people see that such a man of great ethics." Today, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is not among us, but his nature, his reflection can be seen in each and every teacher. So, I salute the whole teaching fraternity. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That was beautiful. Would you come onto the stage now and accept the Prime Minister's blessings, my dear? Now I call upon Tavishi Sheel of Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Pitampura.
I am Tavishi of class 10th from GGSS School, SC Block, Pitampura. A very hearty good afternoon to the Honorable Prime Minister, the HRD Minister, and all the other dignitaries present here. Today, it's my proud privilege to speak few words on our former President, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dynamic in personality, quiet in nature, just in decision, prompt in action, simple in dress, austere in habits. Such was our revered Dr. Radhakrishnan. He was a loving person and a lovely emblem of our age-old Indian culture and civilization. On the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, we all feel proud to remember him as the great guru of all times. He was the multifaceted personality who always propagated the idea of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, meaning the whole world is a family. According to him, on this occasion, every teacher must take this pledge that they will make their students good human beings and not some mere scientist or engineer. In a very interesting incident, once at Mysore University, one of his students asked him whether he had been abroad for his education. He simply replied, "No, but I will go there to teach." Such was his determination, and he did go abroad to teach. He was very friendly with his students, and when going to Calcutta University, he was given a very unique farewell by his students, where his carriage was pulled by his students instead of the horses. Isn't it unique? It is. As told by one of his students, once at Calcutta University, one of his students said, as told by one of his students, at the Calcutta University, a philosopher gave a speech for about 50 minutes, but the audience could not get him. Then, Dr. Radhakrishnan got up and spoke the gist within 10 minutes. Surprisingly, whole audience was satisfied. Such was our great Dr. Radhakrishnan, an eloquent speaker, a philosopher, a biographer, and what not. Above all these, he was a good human being and the precious jewel of our nation. Thank you.
Thank you, Tavishi. May I request you to come onto the stage now, please? अब श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय से विनम्र निवेदन है कि वे देश भर के उत्सुक बच्चों को शिक्षक दिवस पर संबोधित करें।